These are 22-degree cuts, and this is a 22-degree angle. What I'm doing is I want to make sure that when I pre-cut my piece outside, that it's on the same exact degree, and I get an exact measurement, so I don't have to cut more than once.
Measure twice, cut once.
Well, yeah, I mean, it always says that, yeah. But I fit it up. It's called, we're fitting it up just to make sure that the angles are right. Because sometimes it can be off. Instead of being a 22, they're 20s. They're 20 degrees instead of 22s. And that's a 45 inside. So, this is where my guide is at, my reference line. So when I get ready to install, I want to make sure that when we measure from the back side from right here, and that'll get me where I need to be.